get on the boat.
The lightning trout, yeah, they're albino trout. And there's bass, crappie, bluegill, catfish, carp, some turtles, koi fish. There's all sorts of different types of kind of your local freshwater fish, but it's definitely known as a trout lake.
Michael Eisner built this house right here. It's got kind of Disney vibes.
But yeah, there's 2,500 boat docks that cover the lakefront, so there's quite a few boat docks. You'll see there's an observatory up there. When they look into space and the stars.
Yeah.
There's the observatory. Yeah, that's really neat. Crazy interesting, guys. See the observatory too often. Okay, so turn it this way, and I'm gonna turn this wrong way.
It's the most fun.